In this video, I will show you how to make money on TikTok without creativity program. Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and wondered how people are making hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars overnight? Well, it's not just luck, it's strategy. And one of the most effective strategies right now is using TikTok's affiliate program. Consider the example of a creator who posted a simple video about a trending health product. Within a short time, their earnings skyrocketed by over $200,000. Another creator consistently generated more than $260,000 by promoting health-related products through AI-enhanced videos. These aren't celebrities or people with massive budgets. They're everyday creators just like you and me. The difference is that they figured out a system that works, and today I'm going to share that formula with you. So what's the formula? It involves a series of strategic steps that anyone can follow. First, we'll learn how to choose the right product. Then we'll craft a viral video script using AI tools. Next, we'll create engaging voiceovers with AI-powered platforms like 11 Labs. Finally, we'll bring everything together through editing apps like CapCut to produce polished, professional videos in minutes. And at the end, I'll also share how to maximize your results and turn views into real revenue. Let's start with product research because this is the foundation of everything. Choosing the right product is the secret sauce. TikTok Shop has thousands of items, but you need something that resonates with your audience. One of the best tools to help with this is Calidata. It provides insights into trending products and shows you exactly how much they're earning. Once you're on the platform, you can filter by category. For example, the beauty category often performs really well on TikTok because people love quick hacks and transformative products like skincare, hair care, or cosmetics. I always recommend starting with something that's already popular and in high demand. This way, you're not trying to convince people, they're already interested, and you're simply guiding them to the product. Now that you've chosen your product, the next step is crafting a script. This is where the magic happens. Your video script is what captures attention, keeps viewers hooked, and drives them to take action. A good script usually starts with a strong hook, something that feels relatable or sparks curiosity. For example, you could start with a question like, "Ever feel like you can't get rid of that annoying dead skin?" Immediately, viewers who relate will stop scrolling and pay attention. Once you've got the hook, focus on benefits, not just features. Talk about how the product transforms the viewer's daily routine or solves a problem they've been struggling with. Tools like ChatGPT make this process super simple. You can ask it to write a script for your chosen product in a specific style, and even limit the word count to make sure it stays short and impactful. For instance, you might say, "Write me a 150-word script about a body scrub made with sea salt, coconut oil, and shea butter." Highlight how it helps with exfoliation, hydration, and softness. The AI will generate a ready-to-use script that you can further tweak to match your own style. Once your script is ready, highlight keywords that will stand out visually in your video. For example, words like dead skin, sea salt, and hydration could appear in bold colors on screen. This not only makes the video more engaging, but also ensures that even viewers watching without sound understand the key message. Now let's talk about visuals. This is where you bring your script to life. Go back to ChatGPT and prompt it to create specific, high-resolution images that match each line of your script. If your script mentions a girl looking at her skin with dry patches, you can describe that in detail so the AI generates exactly what you need. Each line of your script should match an image or short visual. If the first output doesn't look right, you can regenerate or add negative prompts to remove unwanted elements. This is the beauty of AI. You're not limited to stock images. You can create visuals that perfectly fit your message. Once you have your images, it's time to add a voice. A voiceover adds personality and helps viewers connect with the content. 11 Labs is a great platform for this. Simply paste your script into their text box and you can choose from different voices: male, female, young, mature, energetic, or calm. Some popular voices include Sarah, Nicole, and Adam, but here's a pro tip. Go to the voice library where you'll find even more options and filters. You can choose tone, speed, and even accent to personalize your video. The right voice can make a huge difference in how professional and engaging your content feels. Once you're satisfied, generate the audio file. It's quick and easy. Now we move to the editing process, where everything comes together. Open CapCut or Filmora and start by importing your images in the same order as your script. Then, drop in your voiceover. Trim any unnecessary pauses in the audio so the pacing stays smooth. Next, align your images with the audio, making sure the visuals change in sync with the narration. Add transitions between scenes so the video flows naturally. Captions are also crucial. Not everyone watches videos with sound, so adding text helps keep viewers engaged. Remember those keywords you highlighted earlier? Use them in bright colors or bold fonts to make them pop on screen. This simple trick can dramatically boost retention because key information sticks in the viewer's mind. As you edit, think of the overall experience. The pacing should be smooth, the visuals should look crisp, and the audio should feel natural. Play through your video multiple times, fine-tuning small details until it feels polished. At the end of your video, always include a call to action. Encourage viewers to click your affiliate link and check out the product. Use phrases that create urgency, like, "Grab yours now," or "See why everyone's talking about this." A strong CTA can be the difference between someone just watching your video and someone actually making a purchase. So now you've got a finished video. But how do you turn it into real income? Every view has the potential to convert into a sale, but only if you guide your audience effectively. Make sure your affiliate link is easy to find, either in your bio or pinned in the comments. Look at successful creators. Their videos are simple, clear, and always lead viewers directly to the product page. That's why some of them make hundreds, even thousands of dollars from a single video. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your strategy. Success on TikTok isn't just about posting once. It's about building momentum. Engage with your audience in the comments, ask for their feedback, and pay attention to what products they're excited about. Research trends regularly and test different products to see which ones perform best. This constant learning and adjusting is what separates casual creators from consistent earners. And as you build trust with your audience, your recommendations will carry even more weight, making it easier to drive sales. TikTok's affiliate program is a fantastic opportunity for creators who want to monetize their content. By combining AI-powered tools, smart product selection, strong storytelling, and consistent engagement, you can turn TikTok into more than just a fun platform. You can turn it into a real source of income. The creators I mentioned at the beginning didn't become successful overnight. They followed these exact steps, refined their process, and built something sustainable. And you can do it too. Now, if you're serious about making money online, I recommend using AI and combining it with digital marketing. You can make an extra $3,000 to $5,000 per month using the phone you're holding in your hand right now without even showing your face. Click the link in the description to watch a video from a 9-figure online marketer who will teach you how to use your phone combined with some AI tools to make thousands of dollars per month in pure profit while working just a couple hours per day. You don't need a website or a funnel, so it's perfect for beginners.